Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best automotive scanner in this video? I will show you the top 5 best automotive scanner to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is THINKCAR Thinkscan Plus S7 S6 S4. Specifications: brand name, THINKCAR. OS, Android 10. Memory, RAM 2GB plus ROM 32GB. Screen 5-inch. Resolution, 1280 by 800. Material, ABS, metal. Software update, yes. Wireless support, Wi-Fi. Weight, 0.7 kilograms. Certification, CCC. Special features, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Number 4 is KINGBOLEN S6. Specifications: brand name, KINGBOLEN. Model name, KINGBOLEN S6. Tablet size, 5.99 inches. Display resolution, 1280 by 800. System version, Android 10. CPU version, 4-core, 1.8 GHz. RAM, 2 GB. Storage memory, 32 GB. System displays 32 GB. Battery capacity, 3150 mAh. Camera, not supported. Wi-Fi network, 2.4 GHz, 5.0 GHz dual frequency. Weight, 1.38 kilograms. Special features, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Warranty, 1 year. As the item number 3 we've selected, THINKCAR Thinkscan 689BT. Specifications: brand name, THINKCAR. Storage, 4 GB RAM plus 64 GB ROM. Free update period, lifetime. Display size 8 inches. Special features, Bluetooth. Software version, 2026 latest. Number 2 is Autofix D1 LITE. Specifications: brand name, Autofix. Model name, Autofix D1 LITE. Processor, 4X ARM Cortex-A35, 1.5 GHz. Operating system, Android 9.0. Storage, 64 GB. RAM, 2 GB. Display 7-inch LCD capacitive touchscreen. Resolution, 1280 by 800. Battery, 5800 mAh. Voltage, 12 volts. Special features, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Material, plastic ABS. Warranty, 1 year. Update, 2 years free. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Launch X431 Pro Elite. Specifications: brand name, Launch. Model name, X431 Pro Elite. Operating system, Android 10.0. Processor, 2.0 GHz quad-core. Memory, 4 GB. Storage, 64 GB. Display screen, 8-inch LCD screen. Resolution, 1280 by 800. Camera, 8 megapixel rear-mounted. Wi-Fi 5G, 2.4 GHz. Battery, 6000 mAh. Material, plastic. Warranty, 5 years. Update, 2 years.